Hi, folks. Thanks for joining in. Today, I'm really excited to introduce our new demo at demo.commentchat.com. So let's just head right there first. This is a showcase of our latest and greatest V5 UI kits. These kits are designed with a straightforward philosophy. They look great out of the box, so you can spend minimal time on UI work. Simply choose the components you need, do a little bit styling, and you're ready to go live. Each kit is fully loaded with all the features you need to create a world-class in-app experience. Let's look at it screen by screen. So first, you have the chat screen. The chat screen is your recent conversation view, displaying both one-on-one as well as group chat. Clicking on any of these chats loads the messages screen. So on the right side, you have the messages screen or the individual chat screen. Let's break the screen down. So first you have the message composer. The message composer has a lot of functionality. You can attach images, send videos, audio. You can even send a file. We also have the ability to have a collaborative whiteboard or a document session, and of course the ability to send out polls. Besides that, we have voice notes, sending out emojis. We have also added AI functionality where you can suggest a reply to the user, or you can also get a conversation summary of all the incoming messages. If you want to automate this and just trigger it automatically without having user intervention, that can be done by simply modifying the settings of the UI kit. Besides that, we also have an info screen, which shows you all the functionality if you would have, if you were a privileged user, say you were an admin of a group. You can view the members, you can ban members, you can take all those actions. Let's head on to the one-on-one chat screen. So in the one-on-one chat screen, of course, you have all the similar functionality. You can also send out emojis here. If you want to reply, you can hit reply and you can get a threaded reply as well in minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much all the features that we have in our messages and chat screen. Customers who are looking for dating or workplace kind of use cases, we have a call screen where they can view the calls. They can also share recording if they wish to with their users, and they can also make a call or a video call. Then lastly, we have our users and groups list. These are standard lists that you can display. You can put filters on them to only show certain kinds of users or certain kinds of groups. You can also add the ability for users to create their own groups if need be. Don't forget that this is just a UI kit at the end of the day. So you can toggle all the features on and off based on what works for you, what you need. We're really excited with this launch. Can't wait to see how you bring Comet Chat into your apps and websites. So yeah, let's get started. Thank you.